up, world weirdos? Today I'm going to be showing you how to make, I'm not showing you, I'm going to be telling you, because I'll show you the finished product at the end. But, so, you might have seen my other slime video, yeah, but I meant fridge, not freezer, because I ended up freezing my thing and it didn't work. I meant fridge, I'm sorry. But, for this you'll need shampoo, salt, and and you will need something to mix in, something to mix with, and a fridge. First, with your thing to mix in, you will put a little tiny pinch of salt. It depends on how much shampoo you put in. If you put in like 3 or 4 squirts or squeezes or how much, 3 or 4 pinches. If you put over 5, I'd say like half a teaspoon of salt. But if you add too much salt, it'll be too liquidy and it won't be slime. At the end of the video, I'll show you gibberish. At the end of this video, I will show you the result, and what it looks like, and stuff like that. Yeah, you mix those two together, the pinch of salt and however much shampoo and however much salt you needed. You put it in the fridge for 15 to 20 minutes, stir it up some more, and then play with it. So I will be right back with, comment what you want me to do in my next video. Sorry if I just paused a bunch. My grandpa was going down the street, but and he had no idea that I was filming. Share. Comment down below what you want me to do in my next video. Subscribe, like this video. Like. And if you don't like it, that's fine. You can dislike it or just don't do anything. Be nice to people. Bye. Wait. No, I'm going to pause it. I was just about to hit the stop recording button, but I need to pause it so I can go get the finished product when it's done. So, I just dropped my mixing tool, but here's the finished product, and, it'll be sideways for a minute, just so I can get my mixing tool. Got it. Ooh, there's hairs on it now. But, I will touch it and show you that it's not sticky, it's just a little wet. Just a little bit wet, and I will show you how it comes together. And it'll start cleaning up my bowl. Not most shampoos work. I know Suave Kids, and Dove work. I know Tresemme doesn't, or Herbal Essence. It kind of slimes, but it's not like where you can touch it and play with it. I use wait, let me go see what kind. I used coconut milk nourishing shampoo. Is a squirt bottle. And I only made a small batch of slime just because I didn't know if it would work or not. This was kind of like a test. And this was 2 of them mixed together because I made 2, but they were super small because I didn't want to use a lot of shampoo if it wasn't even gonna work. Because I didn't get that shampoo just for this. What am I, 23? Sorry, I'm amused by this. So yeah, comment, like, subscribe. So I'm going to start posting videos every week. I used to only do them like once a month, Now I'm gonna do them like once a week. So yeah, I'm gonna go make some more of this and put it in the freezer for a little bit longer. You really only need to put it in for like 5 or 10. But if you want it like really like not even wet, then I'd suggest 10 to 15. But so yeah. Thank you for watching my video. Subscribe, like, comment. Bye!